Okay, go ahead. Good job. Sammy, who do you say happy birthday to? What? Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? Drew and TT's birthday?
Yes.
And do you say, can you sing happy birthday? Good boy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Drew.